Adam out here at Karl Kustoms again. And one of the commonly asked questions we get here is, do you guys have boat engines? Well, yes, we do now with our partner with our good friends at BluePrint Engines. We have a couple examples here of what we got to offer. And let's get into this one right here. This particular model here is a 355 cubic inch. It has a steel crank, Hypereutectic pistons, and a flat tappet camshaft. It also has 365 horsepower and 390 foot-pounds of torque, good for any boat application that you have a small block in. And this also has a Fel-Pro marine gasket kit for you to finish this off once you put it in your boat, and all the other gaskets that you need to complete it. It does come in that kit. It also has a 12-month unlimited hour warranty. That's good at BluePrint racing engines or BluePrint marine engines. And for those of you needing more power or more cubic inch, this would be the one for you. This one here is 383 cubic inch small block Chevrolet. It also has the steel crank with the Hypereutectic pistons, but it does have a hydraulic roller camshaft in it. It gives you a little more power and a little more freedom in your valve train to make more power. This one also here is more of a complete setup we have. You can get the marine application, marine carburetor, distributor, wires, water pump, and the fuel system hooked up, ready to go. So this would be more of a complete drop-in replacement. Everything matches, everything works really well with this application. And this one does make 405 horsepower and right at 450 foot-pounds of torque. And the really nice thing about all these BluePrint engines, they come dynoed all ready to go. So when you put this in your boat, they are dyno proven, ready to go, no break-in time, they're ready to go in your boat to have some fun with. And we also have big blocks coming as well. So for your boat, if your boat is a big block application, we will have those here, or we can get them in a timely fashion as well. So if you have any other questions about these or the new ones coming later, just give us a call or check us out on our website at karlkustoms.com.